Whoa, you okay? You sick?
Nah, I think I'm allergic to mornings.
Maybe you're actually allergic to your job. Do you have any allergies? You're probably thinking, not me, I'd know. But what if I told you that many people have mild or hidden allergies that go completely undetected? You might wake up tired, feel moody for no reason, or struggle with focus, and never realize your immune system is reacting to something in your daily life. Let's talk about 5 common hidden allergens. And one surprising thing most people are actually sensitive to, without knowing. 5 hidden allergies that affect your mood, energy, and health. 1. Dust mites. Tiny creatures living in your pillows, mattresses, curtains, and rugs. They feed on dead skin cells and love warm, humid environments. Even if your house looks spotless, they're still there. Symptoms: stuffy nose in the morning, sneezing while cleaning, or itchy eyes at night. If you wake up feeling congested, that's a red flag. 2. Gluten. Not just for people with celiac disease. Millions have non-celiac gluten sensitivity. That means your body reacts to gluten without destroying your gut lining, but still causes inflammation. Common symptoms: bloating after meals, headaches, fatigue, or even anxiety. If you always feel heavy, cloudy, or irritable after eating bread, pasta, or pastries, gluten might be the silent culprit. 3. Soy. It's in everything: sauces, snacks, meat substitutes, protein bars. Soy allergy can show up as digestive issues like gas or cramps, but also hormonal disruptions. Yes, soy contains compounds that mimic estrogen. This can lead to skin breakouts, mood swings, and even irregular periods in some people. If you feel off after takeout or packaged food, don't rule out soy. 4th, pollen. Think it only hits in spring? Think again. Different plants release pollen at different times, some in summer, others in fall. Your symptoms might change with the seasons. In spring, tree pollen. In summer, grass. In fall, weeds like ragweed. If your runny nose, itchy throat, or fatigue come and go with the calendar, pollen could be playing games with your system. 5. Mold invisible but powerful. Mold spores can float in the air in damp places, bathrooms, basements, under the sink. You might not see it, but your body feels it. Coughing that won't go away, sinus infections, wheezing. These are classic signs. And if you feel better when you leave home or go on vacation, that's a huge clue. The surprising one: cow's milk. You've probably heard of lactose intolerance, but this is deeper. Even if you digest lactose fine, your body might be reacting to casein, a protein in cow's milk. That reaction causes low-grade inflammation, nothing dramatic, but just enough to make you feel off every day. Common symptoms: skin issues like acne or eczema, digestive bloating, brain fog, fatigue that hits mid-morning even after 8 hours of sleep, and since milk is in cheese, yogurt, chocolate, protein shakes, most people consume it constantly, which makes it hard to connect the dots. If you found yourself nodding at any point in this video, maybe it's time to start listening to your body. Don't forget, your health doesn't need to be complicated. Sometimes it's just about removing one small trigger. We share simple science-backed health tips every day. Fast, clear, and to the point. So if you're into that, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what topic we should cover next. Stay curious, stay healthy.